For nearly a decade, millions of creators, wildlife photographers, and action shooters have asked the exact same question. Is Nikon ever going to replace the legendary D500? For years, the silence was deafening, forcing thousands of loyal shooters to migrate to other systems. But today, the massive wait is officially over. The decoded camera roadmaps have just revealed something far bigger than anyone anticipated. Nikon isn't just releasing a standard crop sensor camera. They are preparing to drop a total market disruptor that the industry is already calling the Mini Z9. This is the upcoming Nikon Z90, and it is shaping up to be the ultimate option designed to completely change the high-end APS-C and full-frame market. If you are planning to drop thousands of dollars on a brand new full-frame body this year, stop right now. We are uncovering the fully authenticated hardware leaks, the shocking sensor technology, a historic Hollywood partnership, and the exact pricing that will change how you buy cameras forever. Watch closely, because the specifications we reveal are going to make you question why anyone would buy a full-frame system ever again. To understand why the Nikon Z90 is causing panic over at rival headquarters, we have to look at the heart of this machine, a completely re-engineered 33-megapixel DX format image sensor. For the longest time, choosing a crop sensor body meant accepting major compromises. You either had to settle for a standard CMOS sensor with terrible rolling shutter jello effects during fast pans, or you had to pay astronomical full-frame prices to get flagship performance. Nikon is breaking that paradigm. Leaked specifications confirm that this new 33-megapixel sensor uses a fully stacked architecture. A stacked sensor means the memory circuits are built directly onto the back of the silicon, allowing data to read out at blistering speeds. This completely eliminates rolling shutter distortion, meaning fast-moving subjects like a bird in flight or a racing car will remain perfectly straight without any of that warping. This resolution sweet spot gives you incredible cropping flexibility for wildlife and sports while maintaining blistering, continuous processing. But a groundbreaking sensor is useless without a massive brain to handle the data avalanche. And that is where the EXPEED 7 processor comes into play. By bringing the exact same computational engine found in the flagship Z9 straight down into this compact DX body, Nikon has unlocked performance figures that seem physically impossible for a camera in this segment. The headline feature is a continuous burst rate of up to 120 frames per second. Think about that for a second. You are getting flagship-level speed that makes the high-price competition look completely outdated. Furthermore, because of the stacked sensor and processing architecture, the electronic viewfinder delivers a flawless, completely blackout-free viewing experience. When you press the shutter, you never lose sight of your subject for even a fraction of a millisecond. You are fully locked into the action, capturing every micro moment with surgical precision. This immense processing power also fuels a revolutionary, deep-learning AI autofocus system that is light years ahead of what we have seen in previous mid-range bodies. The Z90 uses advanced subject recognition algorithms trained on millions of real-world images. The moment you initialize focus, the system instantly identifies, locks onto, and tracks subjects with incredible stickiness. It doesn't matter if you are tracking an unpredictable athlete moving across a chaotic field, a bird darting through dense branches, or a vehicle traveling at high speeds. The autofocus tracking points remain absolutely glued to the subject's eye or body. Now, let's talk about the game changer that absolutely no one saw coming, and the primary reason why this camera is a mandatory purchase for filmmakers. Following the acquisition of Red Digital Cinema, Nikon is officially implementing their top option for video creators. The Nikon Z90 is leaked to feature internal 6K REDCODE RAW video recording. Let that sink in. This isn't a compressed, highly restricted video format. This is true. Hollywood-grade RAW data recorded directly to your internal memory cards without needing bulky external monitors or recorders. You are getting access to the legendary red color science, providing unmatched dynamic range, incredibly malleable highlight recovery, and professional flexibility in post-production. Even if you don't always shoot in heavy RAW formats, the standard video capabilities are equally impressive. The Z90 will offer oversampled 4K video at up to 60 frames per second, derived from the full 6K readout of the sensor. This guarantees that your 4K footage will look incredibly sharp, rich in detail, and completely free of pixel binning or aliasing. For creators who need extreme slow motion, the camera supports high-speed recording at up to 120 frames per second in 4K, allowing you to capture buttery smooth action sequences without sacrificing resolution. For dedicated wildlife and sports photographers, the crop sensor inside the Z90 isn't a limitation. It is an incredible competitive advantage. Thanks to the 1.5x DX crop factor, every single full-frame lens you attach to this camera instantly gains 50% more reach. Your standard 300mm telephoto lens suddenly behaves like a powerful 450mm lens, bringing distant subjects incredibly close without adding a single ounce of extra weight to your camera bag. This extra reach, combined with the 33-megapixel resolution, gives you an unmatched advantage when capturing timid wildlife or faraway sports action, all while maintaining the full light-gathering capabilities of your high-end glass. Nikon has also made sure that the physical design of the Z90 honors the rugged, professional heritage of the D500. This is not a fragile plastic toy. The body is constructed from a highly durable magnesium alloy skeleton, featuring extensive weather sealing at every seam, button, and dial. Whether you are shooting in a dusty desert environment, a humid rainforest, or a freezing rainstorm, this camera is built to survive the harshest conditions imaginable. The ergonomics are deeply refined, featuring a deep, comfortable hand grip that provides excellent balance even when tracking with massive telephoto lenses. This brings us to the most disruptive aspect of the entire release, the price point. According to the latest premium market supply chain leaks, Nikon is aiming to launch the Z90 at an aggressive price of approximately $2,000. When you look at the landscape of the current camera market, a price point like this for a fully stacked sensor, flagship speed, and internal RED RAW video is a total anomaly. It undercuts almost every flagship full-frame body on the market while offering video and speed specifications that leave entry-level full-frame options completely behind. Nikon is clearly making a power move to dominate the hybrid creative space, offering a professional powerhouse at a price that is accessible to independent creators. The official release window is tracking toward a mid-2026 launch, meaning you won't have to wait much longer to get your hands on this game-changing piece of hardware. The upcoming Nikon Z90 is shaping up to be far more than just a simple product update. It represents a massive paradigm shift in the camera industry, proving that you do not need to spend $5,000 on a full-frame body to get elite, uncompromised performance. By fusing the legendary speed of the Z9 architecture with the cinematic genius of red digital cinema, Nikon has created an absolute masterpiece for modern hybrid creators. It gives wildlife shooters the reach and speed they desperately need, while giving filmmakers Hollywood-level image quality in a highly portable form factor. The camera market is about to get incredibly competitive, and Nikon is leading the charge.